Proven stock market tips that anyone can implement. Investing in the stock market is not just about investing money. It is also about investing your time, in order to make sure that your investment pays off. Take the time to fully investigate your potential investments and keep watch, once you do invest. You can use the advice from this video to help you make the choices that will pay off for you as an investor. If you own shares in a company, you have the chance to vote for a company's board of directors. Dependent on the company's charter, you might have the right to vote on certain proposals or to elect directors. The voting typically happens at the annual shareholders meeting, but you can also vote by mail. Investments should be spread throughout several markets. Avoid placing all of your eggs into one basket, like the familiar saying goes. Investing everything in a single company who ends up unexpectedly going bankrupt will bankrupt you as well. Remember that individual stocks do not necessarily represent the entire market. A decent stock may soar while the overall market tanks, while a bad stock may plunge in value when the rest of the market is thriving. This is why it's a good idea to diversify the types of stock you own, choosing stocks from a variety of companies in many different industries. Purchasing investment management software will really help you out if you are just starting with your investing. It is best to buy one software that will help you manage your money, profits, losses, subscriptions you pay for, and stockbrokers you use. You should also buy a second software that you can use to track stocks, fund prices, company news, and any analysis that you perform. As previously noted, investing in the stock market is about investing your time, as well as your money. To get the best results, you need to take the time and do the research, as well as continuing to watch over your investment after you invest. The information in this video has been gathered to help you do just that, helping you to make your investments profitable. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.